On Windows 11, the way to change most of your system setting is to use the Settings app. This is the method Microsoft wants us to use with the most modern design and newest features being there. However, it is not perfect and actually missing a few options from the old control panel. If this bother you, God mode may just be the feature you are looking for. God mode is a term for a folder that contains links for all kinds of system settings directly on your desktop or wherever you choose to create it. Despite its intimidating name, God mode is very easy to set up and there is almost no risk to it aside from making important settings easily accessible. So what exactly can you do with God mode? Well, essentially it's a hidden folder that gives you direct access over 200 settings and tools in one place. From managing your devices and printers to adjust user account controls, network settings and more, God mode put everything right at your fingertips. Here are some important settings you can find in God mode. If you want to make any changes to accounts in your system, such as removing a user account, changing the account type, creating a password reset disk and more, you can find all account related settings here at one place. As you go down, you will find a whole list of Windows tools ranging from normal to advanced levels, such as freeing up disk space by deleting unnecessary files or managing computer certificates. Also, if you want to make any changes to the system, here is the comprehensive list of all settings under one umbrella. No need to toggle and wonder where to go or where to find a particular setting. Everything is right here. Alright, it's time to unlock God mode. Follow these simple steps to enable this feature on your Windows 11 device. Right click on your desktop and select New, then Folder. Or you can create this folder to any other place which is convenient for you, like Gallery, Documents or any other drive if you have done partition to your drive. Now rename the folder with this exact string of characters which I have provided in the description below. Once done, hit enter and voila, your folder icon will change to resemble the control panel and you have just enabled God mode. Double click the folder and you will see a comprehensive list of all the settings and tools you can access. It's that easy. And there you have it. You have just unlocked the ultimate power tool in Windows 11. With God mode, you can easily manage and customize your system like never before. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.